Hi, welcome back again to Fit and Blessed TV. How are you all doing? So last time we spoke about carbohydrates. We spoke about the different types of carbohydrates. We're just going to do like a summary. So we said carbohydrates is not just your rice, your gari, your pasta. Carbohydrates is actually, it includes your beans, which many people find it hard to believe, but that's the truth. And we also said that we have three types of carbohydrates, and that even though they give off the same amount of energy, they are absorbed differently. So they are absorbed differently, but they give off the same amount of energy. We spoke about that as well. We spoke about the mono and the disaccharides being absorbed faster than the polysaccharides, because we said poly was a mixture of the mono and the di. So yes, diving into today's video, we're going to talk about serving size. Now, you don't have to stick to your serving size. You have to have I believe that you have to have a portion size to help you through the journey. If you are doing weight gain, this video should be helpful for you, in the sense that you know that this is the amount that you want to eat, and this is the amount of calories that you will get. So now, if you are doing weight loss, you have to be in a calorie deficit. That goes to tell you that if you are doing weight gain, you have to be in a calorie what? You're not saying it. Yes, you have to have higher calorie needs. So not that you need more calories, like your body needs more calories, but because you want to gain weight, instead of eating the ideal 2,000 calories, if you're a female, you're going to strike to eat 2,500. You're going to strike to eat 3,000. I'm not saying get overfed, but I'm saying divide your food in such a way that you get more calories than you're actually supposed to use. Now, if you are trying to maintain your weight, like me, who have lost the weight that I want, and I now want to maintain my weight, I can decide to eat my 2,000 calories every day religiously without any problems, because I am trying to maintain my weight. So now we've spoken about calorie deficit, the normal amount of calories, and we're speaking about if you are going for excess calories because you want to gain weight. Now we're going to talk about the serving size, the ideal serving size. Serving size, as we said, is what the manufacturer recommends that you take, and the manufacturer will tell you that this is the serving size, and if you eat this amount, like in the case of our mayonnaise bottle, we had said the 1 tablespoon. This is actually a tablespoon. 1 tablespoon is 100 calories. Can you imagine that? Some of us lick this thing like it's, I don't even know what to use, sugar. But yes, now we're going to talk about rice and pasta. But when we talk about, we're going to use the measuring cup first. Hold on, let me get my measuring cup. I will be with you soon. Yes, so I'm back like I never left. Okay, this is a measuring cup. On my measuring cup, there's there's 1/4, 1/3, half, 2/3, 3/4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all that parameters. And then there's ounces, 2, 6, 8, 10, 14, you know, the ounces are in twos. And there is the ml, something called metric ml. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So you can use this my measuring cup to convert from one type of measurement to the next. But let's say you don't have my measuring cup. How do you measure? Here, this disposable cup is equivalent to 1 cup. Look at it very well. Look at it. Don't look at me. Look at it. So this disposable cup is equivalent to 1 cup. If you don't have this cup and you have, let's say, the medium cup, you're talking about somewhere here. My pen. All right, we're gonna use this. So we're talking about it being somewhere here. if you are using the medium measurements. And then, so serving size of rice is 1 cup of cooked rice, 1 cup of pasta, 1 cup of noodles or couscous, 1 cup of cooked rice. If you can't use a cup, I suggest you use a dishing spoon. So a dishing spoon, depending on the size of your dishing spoon, I would use this, my spoon. A dishing spoon is usually bigger than this, actually. So depending on the size of your dishing spoon, you could do probably 3 times this as your serving size. Now, bread. 1 serving of bread is 2 slices. Do you know why we say we want wheat bread as opposed to white bread? Because wheat bread has some fibers in it, and white bread is just plain white bread. So you could do the multi-grain bread, or you could do the wheat bread if you are on the weight loss journey. If you're trying to gain weight, you could do the what? The normal bread. And instead of eating 2 slices, you eat how many slices now? You are going to be heading for more slices, right? Right. Now we're talking about potato. Our Irish potato. 2 medium potatoes if the potato is medium size, or 4 small potatoes. And then we're going to talk about, that's probably it for carbohydrates. I might be missing out some carbohydrates, but I believe we have an idea of the general carbohydrates. So we're talking about, let's say, yam. We're talking probably 2 slices of yam, cut. How thick? Hold. Cut this thick. 2 slices of yam, normal sized yam. So not when the yam is so tiny you decide to come and cut that. That basically you are not eating anymore. And so, what am I missing for carbohydrates? We're going to talk about cereal. Your cereal is supposed to be 1 cup flaked type breakfast cereal. So when we talk about cereal, right, we're talking about cornflakes. We're talking about anything you want to call cereal, basically. Not oats, but cereal. And your cereal should not be taken with any sugar. My advice is that you use natural sweeteners like stevia, or if you don't have stevia, I got to find out that when you use your banana slices, or when you use your banana, you could mash up your banana and put it in your cereal, your cornflakes, add some milk, and you are good to go. We're also going to talk about the serving size of milk when we get to protein as well. All right, so oats, you are talking about 1/3 cup of dry porridge oats, or there's another oat called muesli. So for that you are eating 1/2 cup, and for oats itself you are eating 1/3 cup. So if this is 1 cup, 1/3 cup should be somewhere here, right? Okay, so that's it, guys, for serving size of carbohydrates. We're going to in our next video, we're going to talk about, in our next class, we're going to talk about protein and the serving size of protein. Stay tuned. Oh, and I hope you are learning. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and please let me know if you understand. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask me. Thank you.